In this video, we are going to see single entry system. Single entry system, that is accounts from incomplete records. The single entry system is incomplete, inaccurate, unscientific and unsystematic system of bookkeeping. Because the double entry system entries are not recorded in here, it maintains only personal accounts and cash accounts. All real accounts, transactions and nominal accounts are totally ignored. This system is used by only certain businesses for their convenience and more practice approach. It is called accounts from incomplete records. In single entry system, we can find ascertain profit or loss for the year. Two methods are there. Methods of ascertaining profit or loss. First method is statement of affairs method. Next, conversion method. First, statement of affairs method. So in order to calculate profit or loss according to this method, we need to follow certain steps. Step 1, ascertain opening capital. Opening capital means balance sheet opening balance is opening capital. Step 2, ascertaining closing capital. Step 3, add the amount of drawings to the closing capital. So what is the drawings? Drawings means investor which amount is draw for personal use. That amount is called drawings. So that amount, add the amount of drawings to the closing capital. Step 4, deduct the amount of additional capital introduced from the above to get adjusted capital. So additional capital introduced means investor introduced amount for the during year. So that amount is deducted from the closing capital. So to get adjusted capital. Step 5, ascertaining profit or loss by deducting opening capital from the adjusted closing capital. So we get adjusted capital deducting opening capital from the adjusted closing capital. Okay, these 5 steps are before preparing a statement showing the profit or loss made during the year. So above 5 steps are followed to prepare a statement showing the profit or loss made during the year. Particulars, amount. First step, capital at the end of the period. We add drawings made during that period, that specific period. So next, less further capital introduced during the period, we get adjusted capital at the end of the period. Next, these adjusted capital at the end of the period, we less capital at the beginning of the period. So adjusted capital at the end of the period, less capital at the beginning of the period, we get profit or loss. We get plus amount or positive amount, that is profit for the during year. Next, we get a negative amount, that is called loss. Next, we will discuss statement of affairs. Statement of affairs is like a balance sheet. So balance sheets, liabilities and assets are there. So in these, assets and liabilities are recorded in this format: cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors, stock, bills receivable, machinery. Next, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses. So assets and liabilities are recorded in this format. Assets are more than liabilities. The balancing figure is there. So this balancing figure is called capital end of the year.